Okay, and here is the finished repair. You can see I took the J-arm and attached it to this operator bracket where it's supposed to be. This is a new strut. We took the one spring down, converted it over to two springs. They're up there. And this install, I end up taking the whole thing off and going out and bending and beating on it to get it back into a functioning shape. That's a 12 gauge steel that's made out of. It's pretty thick and very stout. But I was able to get it, bent and beat back to where it's supposed to be, and it's holding up real well now. And everything is running exactly like it's supposed to be. I looked at this door over here, and it was the same thing. He had one spring, and the J-arm had been attached to the top of the strut. So I converted his springs over to two springs, brought the J-arm down to the operator bracket like it's supposed to be, and saved himself some money here. This ended up saving him about $8,000, because with this is an overlay carriage door that he has, and to duplicate it would have been about $4,000 per door, and now he doesn't have to do that. He can keep using these. So if you want a door repair done correctly, give me a call, 770-720-7828, or go online and book at covenantgaragedoors.com. Take care.